Today we are running the first annual steam whistle, called Cooking with Steam Whistle competition. And we have 6 teams representing Canadore College Culinary Arts. I have 3 first-year teams and 3 second-year teams. We're cooking up a storm right now, getting ready to serve the guests.
Hey, well, what to do when you don't have a bottle opener? Pop the top. Pop the top. We've got a philosophy that we want to be able to drink the beer that we're cooking with while we're eating, right? So we cook with the beer, drink the beer while we're cooking it, and then we want to make dishes that you can drink the beer with the dish, and it complements the dish as well. So it's a well-rounded 3-part philosophy.
And the pièce de résistance for today is a Scotch and steam whistle brine, some applewood smoked trout. So we brine the trout for approximately an hour in Scotch, steam whistle, variety of spices, some bay leaf. And then what we did is we smoked the trout for about approximately 45 to 50 minutes with applewood chips. And the basic concept is to make a steam whistle crepe. We lay goat's cheese, bottle noisette, walnut mixture at the bottom, and we lay the trout on top. We roll the crepe, and we drizzle some of our Béarnaise sauce on top, and we have some Pilsner asparagus spears, so they're being poached very lightly in steam whistle, a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, the crepes as well. And the crepes are also infused with steam whistle, like Jeremy mentioned. Wow. We got some orange zest going on in there as well. So steam whistle is basically incorporated into every aspect of our production. So that's basically the concept behind everything.
Enjoying the fruits of the labor of all these students, and I have to say we've been very impressed. We've only I guess we've done 3 dishes so far.
Yes.
And we're moving on to our 4th, and each one just gets better and better.
The students have put a lot of work into it, and it reflects in the tastes. The way they've transitioned with the steam whistle blending is great on the sauces. They're marinating everything. It's good for them. It's a lot of fun.